Ajai Kumar. He's responsible for HCL. Ajay, where are you? He's responsible for HCL, and they are in a strategic partnership with us. They are helping us with code development and integration and progressive development on the software. I thought I'd give Ajay a couple minutes here up on the stage to tell you what they're doing specifically with our Series I products and the importance they play in our strategy. Ajay, a few minutes.
Thanks, John. Good morning. Good morning. All right, that's much better. As John mentioned, my name is Ajai Kumar. I represent HCL, one of the strategic partners for Infor. Strategic could actually sometimes be a very, very loosely used word. And I thought I'll take a moment just to define what does strategic mean in terms of Infor and HCL. When both these organizations' top management got together, first and foremost, there is a deep appreciation for each other's strategic vision which was there. So Soma and John talked about those 3 pillars which are there. You talk about micro-verticalization from Infor, you talk about powered by science, or you talk about user experience. And we believe that's where the future is in the enterprise segment. And likewise, there was an equal appreciation back from Infor for the 3 pillars which we support. And these are pretty disruptive ones. We talked about a concept called employees first and customer second. And that means we as a service provider believe that the value zone gets created in where our employees interact with customers. Second was trust, transparency, and flexibility. And third being value generation, where we not only help our customers measure the value getting delivered to them, but if they want to measure and quantify value they want to give to their end customers, we have process for that. But coming back to what we did over here, I'd like to touch base only on 3 towers again over here. We talk about people, process, and technology, and how does this partnership help you as an end customer? We might be 100,000 plus employees globally present, but I think all these things are very, very irrelevant. What is going to be relevant is the fact, what does it mean to you as an end customer? What does the value we generate over here for you? So under people, when we got together, there was the first thing Charles, Soma, and all the management team talked to us about saying that, can you get together and create incremental capacity? So as on date, we have close to 500 plus Infor certified consultants. And these people are there to deliver value to you in terms of the chosen product segments which are there. What else is unique is about the fact that we got to know that some of these technologies, you talk about System I, there is a very, very big need to actually have the Generation Y come in and act as an incremental capacity where people do retire. You have a new age workforce which is there. So that is the second element under the tower of people. So you talk about incremental capacity, you talk about Generation Y coming over there. Second was on the process side. So we actually look at, we have a business benefit kind of a framework. So there was a customer on System I who was talking about huge customization environment. But when we got to discussions with them, we looked at options saying that how do we decustomize that? And look at scenarios. There was a business process identified. We said, how can we impact it by 30%? So that was the business process impact on a process side which is there. We talk about things like in terms of acceleration. So once you want to impact business processes, you need to have accelerators, you need to have methodologies, you need to have tools. So we actually investing big time into that. And the third tower which is there is for the technology. Soma talked about LX product. When we got together, we said that could there be a way that we want to bring new features to the market to you as end customers? Could there be a way that we can bring down the time into half? So if there was a minor release which happened, let's say in 4 years' time, can we bring the new major release in, let's say, a couple of years' time frame? So that's what we're talking about, time to market over there under the tower of technology. And last but not the least, you heard from Lisa about all the good things which are happening on the initiative of cloud. I know some of you would be deciding in terms of talking about how do you really move to the cloud right now? And you'll have a lot of questions. Some of you might be thinking that this cloud initiative you can postpone for some time, and you might like to decide on that sometime later. But whatever be the time frame, I think the key thing is we as partnership together, we have got the necessary tools and infrastructure to ensure that we get you to the cloud in the smoothest and fastest possible way. So that's just a couple of points I thought I'll bring to the notice over here.
Okay. Thank you, Ajay.
All right. Thank you, everyone.